Oh, I'm hungry. Aha! How about I try to make instant noodle?
Hello guys, so I'm a little hungry and I'm gonna make it a pop mie. So now I will show you how to make it, okay? Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ratna Pranesha. You can call me Nesa. My major is Indonesian Education Department from Padang University. Okay, keep watching guys. Okay guys, the materials and tools are we have 1 cup of instant noodle pop mie and hot water and boiled egg and knife. Okay, first pull the lid of the noodle cup back halfway. And remove any seasoning packets. Okay, next, open the packet of seasoning using knife and add seasoning to the noodles. The second steps, pour the hot water into the cup. And third step, press the lid back into place for 3 minutes. And after the 3 minutes are up, peel off the lid of the noodle cup. Use a fork to stir the noodle. And finally, enter the boiled egg into the pop mie. So I'm done guys, and yeah, we can enjoy it. This is a pop mie and it's really easy to make it, and you can try to make it too